Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX remained in the green zone for the third consecutive day and gained 18.42 points or 0.34%, settling at 5,420 points. Market turnover was 9.76 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 21.72% compared to the previous trading day. Beximco Pharmaceuticals, Kohinoor Chemicals, and ACI from the pharmaceutical sector, Walton High-Tech, Bangladesh Steel Re-Rolling Mills and BSRM Steels from the industrial sector, and Olympic from the food and allied sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the IT sector posted the highest gain of 2.45%, while the industrial sector registered the second highest gain of 1.99%. On the other hand, the banking sector posted the highest loss of 1.35% today. 5 pharmaceuticals and 4 food and allied companies were among the top 20 gainers today. National Tea Company, Sonali Paper and Board Mills and ACI Formulations registered the highest gain, while First Security Islami Bank, Mercantile Bank and Trust Islami Life Insurance were the top losers today. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of Walwell Textiles, ACI Formulations, and Mithun Knitting and Dyeing increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the above-mentioned stocks. Top 2 news: the cutoff yields on Bangladesh's treasury bills declined as banks opted to invest their surplus liquidity in risk-free securities, with the 91-day T-bill falling to 10.14% from 10.20% and the 182-day T-bill dropping to 10.35% from 10.39%. On the same day, the government raised 55 billion Bangladeshi takas by issuing these 3 types of T-bills to partially finance its budget deficit. This trend highlights a stable demand for secure government instruments while supporting fiscal needs in a balanced and prudent manner. In July, the first month of the 2025-26 fiscal year, the government borrowed 7,438 crore Bangladeshi takas from the banking system to meet budgetary expenditures, according to Bangladesh Bank data. The rise in net credit was primarily driven by overdraft borrowing from the central bank, allowing the government to minimize the cost of borrowing by relying on financing at the policy rate of 10%. This approach reflects a careful balancing of fiscal needs with prudent debt management, ensuring financial stability while supporting public spending. That's all for today. Thank you.